Manever I say ma Pen Dream TV. Pen Dream TV there, o see them yopo.
Abusia for yamamo akwaba e de mobile Pen Dream TV so mesrawo oba Pen Dream TV super bombarding say oba subscribe to the channel mo ane subscribe to the channel who subscribe button no na wo form ho no subscribe e boa e me dwumadi a yedi no ha no eno so ekwa anim ye boa yen enti mesrawo say odi eno so ebe push yen we are like video no na share to other platforms mine na wo adwenkyere bi su ampacha wo hwe video na wo de comment no ato ase na yahu ososo wadwen a wo edifa sa video hu abusia mesraw video me pese me no yekọ ne yekọhwe ane nsem a ekoso e wo manhu asade wonim sade Pen Dream TV de bia ye mamo no yekofa nsem no ye de abram na mo nkasa mo hu nyoma ekoso wo manhu yenkọ na yenkotie na yemra sesia
parts of the evidence in his or her judgment.
Okay.
Without listening to
you are going into the details, but I wanted to find out from you. See, the narrative that has been put out about Chairman WONTUMI's imprisonment is that he's a political prisoner. You handled this part of this particular trial. Do you agree with that?
I agree that the evidence on record cannot support the verdict.
Is he a political prisoner?
Well, I'm saying, I mean, I didn't see any politics in the records, but what I'm saying is that the judgment cannot be supported by the evidence. That one is, and that is in any case, that is how I will interpret the situation. But again, subject to three wise men who also look at what we are saying. But I'll be firm in my conviction that the evidence here in this records cannot support the conviction. If I have the opportunity, I will even tell you about the particulars of offense and even read the particulars of offense and see that it is even wrong. They said, for the first one, particulars of offense, you to me that you in the year 2024 in Samra Boy, nothing happened between WONTUMI had not gone to Samra Boy at any point in time, and there is nothing like that.
He hadn't gone to Samra Boy.
Samra Boy.
He had a concession in Samra Boy.
Yes, he had. No, he didn't have concession to begin with. Did he have anything to give WONTUMI as a person? And in the case of WONTUMI and Akunta Mines, it was Akunta Mines that had the concession, not WONTUMI.
Who owns Akunta Mines?
No, that's a different question. Akunta Mining had been charged alone, then the defense would be different. But WONTUMI as a person, did he have it?
What arrangement did he have with Henry Oku?
No. Did he have it? The answer is yes or no. If he didn't have it, what did he give?
No, that's a question I'm asking you.
You see,
what did he give to Henry Okum?
And did he give anything in the records, in the evidence? He did not give anything because he didn't have anything to give. So I'm just saying that.
Okay. So who instructed Henry Okum to go on the land to do reclamation, or who gave that arrangement between the two of them?
If I don't have anything, can I instruct you to go and do something?
So then, how did Henry Okum land?
No.
No, I'm asking, how did Henry Okum appear on that concession?
So it is a concession in the name of Akunta Mining Limited. So it is only Akunta Mining Limited who can give. So granted that there is an allegation that WONTUMI may have engaged Henry Okum.
It's not an allegation. It's a fact.
No. Listen, if Henry Okum, WONTUMI engaged Henry Okum, in what capacity would he engage Henry Okum? If it's in respect of concession belonging to a next person, Akunta Mining. So if he even acted for and on behalf of Akunta Mining, where is WONTUMI in this transaction? As a person. And don't forget that the law is that the cooperative body is different from WONTUMI, a director or a shareholder. So why charge WONTUMI? And if you think that WONTUMI was a rightful person,
is answered in the judgment. That's why I'm wondering why. But you have the full judgment.
So those who are
and
talking,
that question is answered in the judgment.
So,
reason why the
and that is why you are referring to the lifting of the veil.
Question, yes, that question is answered in the full judgment that you have. That reason why WONTUMI was charged, and not Akunta mining.
So alternatively, listen,
I think.
So alternatively, if it is WONTUMI who would have given the concession to him, where is also Akunta Mining? Was there anything left for Akunta Mining to have also done? So charging WONTUMI and Akunta Mining, and the same case was a multiple charge and identifying multiple persons for a commission of one offense. So what I'm saying is that if you are charging WONTUMI based on your simple principle of lifting the veil, where was Akunta Mining? And if you are charging Akunta Mining for having the concession and giving it out, where was WONTUMI? So to begin with, I'm saying that why the two of them are charged for committing the same offense, not that they have, one of them would have facilitated or joined, or you see, I'm talking about the offense of assignment. So how did the two people all assigned?
Wait, your client at the time you were his lawyer.
And all these things, things are in the address.
Hold on. During cross-examination, he admitted to that arrangement with Henry Okum, correct?
Who admitted?
Chairman WONTUMI.
I didn't cross-examine Chairman WONTUMI.
No, I'm specifically reading from the judgment.
I cross-examined.
I'm not talking about you cross-examining. I'm saying your client. I didn't say you.
And in law and in the criminal practice, the client, he is not supposed to prove any innocence.
But your client admitted to that. I know. But you were in court.
So my client, when he was under cross-examination, he says that I engaged him. Exactly. He engaged me and allowed him to reclaim the land.
Absolutely.
Reclaim the land. Listen. Reclaim the land, plant coconut tree, and we will share the proceeds of the coconut tree as we harvest.
So he should plant coconut trees.
You know that the judge didn't mention at all what WONTUMI had said as the arrangement between him and Henry Okum.
But Henry Okum on page 28.
The judge rather accepted the version of Henry Okum, who says that, yes, I approached him, he agreed for me to go and reclaim the land and plant coconut tree and also mine.
Yes.
And Chairman WONTUMI comes to say that, and there's no corroboration. Nobody else came to say that, yes, I was there when they did this.
And the other is not.
And so both of them are on the roof. Now we have Henry Okum who has given a caution statement denying that I didn't do anything. And in the light of this mistrust and the integrity level of this same person, who in one breath is saying in the caution statement, I didn't do anything, and another breath in the witness statement saying that I did that. And the judge will believe that and deny the direct evidence of the accused person who says, I didn't do it. And I even caused the Regional Security Council to come and arrest. And it is through that arrest that Henry Okum was, Ayisi was arrested, and Ayisi mentioned Henry Okum.
But on the,
which of the two would you believe?
But on the matter of whose report should have been believed, that is,
yes. And in all cases where there is a doubt, the doubt announced to the benefit of the accused person.
But if you read, that's where it comes to the page 28 of the judgment, which you have a copy of, and you obtained this where the full judgment. Where did you get it?
This one, I said my mother even had it before it was read.
Oh, how?
That is what I'm saying. Look at this. How would I be? And this one, verbatim, straight, the same thing.
So you asked a question as to why Chairman WONTUMI's account was not believed as against that of Henry Okum. And that is captured in page 28. In paragraph 6 of his witness statement, prosecution witness 2, that is Henry Okum, stated further, and I quote, I'm reading page 28. We all have the judgment, we can read it. I funded the reclamation works using proceeds from my mining operations on the concession. And A1, that is Chairman WONTUMI, was fully aware of this fact PW2, that is Henry Okum, was not cross-examined on this critical piece of evidence. He says you did not cross-examine him.
Wait.
Neither did the first accused put before this court any evidence to show that he had advanced money to PW2 to fund the reclamation.
Okay, good.
So that's
Good.
PW2,
So,
that is Henry Okum,
assuming-
I'm coming, had maintained throughout the trial that the first accused, WONTUMI, had permitted him to do two things in the concession, namely, to mine for gold and then use a part of the proceeds to reclaim the damaged land. In fact, during cross-examination, when PW2, that is Henry Okum, repeated his claim, counsel for the accused, that is you and the APPIAH KUBI, first, and the third accused, did nothing about it. So you didn't do anything.
Wait a minute. Granted, starting from there, that I didn't even do anything about it.
That's what the
Granted,
says.
that I didn't do anything about it. In his witness statement, he did not give any. There is nowhere in the whole evidence that suggests that fund the reclamation with proceeds for mining. There is nowhere. This is the conjecture from the court.
This 28, what I just read?
There is nowhere in the evidence. And I'm saying that if you want to talk about this, you need to read all so that you find where there was a conjecture that, or from the PW2 that I'm saying that he said I should fund the reclamation with proceeds from mining. There is nowhere. There is nowhere in the whole of evidence that there is this statement. Number two,
the statement that
I should fund the reclamation with proceeds from mining. Listen, and if you read all of that, even in
Okum said it.
Okum, he didn't say it.
Oh, it's in the
I just read what Okum said.
And that is what I'm saying. That's what I'm telling you.
You were supposed to cross-examine.
Listen to me.
So if you fail
I am
to
saying
cross-examine on that
that this statement never appeared in the records everywhere. No, I'm saying this is a conjecture from the judge.
It's a
I am
conjecture.
saying that it is, and that is what I'm saying. Pick the record of proceedings. Pick
You didn't come with it.
Huh?
You didn't come with it.
I should bring the whole file here.
Oh, no.
So I'm saying that go through the whole evidence. There is no story saying that I should fund the reclamation with this. There is this rather consideration discussion. We say that we will share the proceeds of the coconut. And I'm saying,
So are you saying that this is a fabrication of...
it is a fabrication. This is exactly what I'm saying.
Wow.
Oh, no. I'm telling you, if you find it, cite me for whatever. I am saying that this is a fabrication. Number two, let's go on.
That's a serious comment.
Yes. Do you think that I'm afraid?
No.
Do you think that I'm afraid? I'm not.
So that is
And I'm saying, do I lie to
at the
you?
heart of the justice
I'm
system.
saying, do I lie to you? Do you see me as a liar? I am saying that. Go and find out. There is nowhere that the sentence comes that and use the proceeds to find. And indeed, I cross-examine him. The proceeds that you get from your mining, do you account to Chairman WONTUMI? The answer is no. It is in the cross-examination. And do you take instructions from Chairman WONTUMI to do the mining? The answer is no. Does Chairman WONTUMI benefit from the proceeds of the mining? The answer is no. All of them in the proceedings. And again, granted that he even says that he is aware. How do you know that he is aware when there's even no corroboration? He said it. Chairman WONTUMI, fortunately, has come after the dismissal of the submission of no case to also give his own evidence, saying that I did not instruct him to undertake mining. I did not. Direct evidence. But this is circumstantial. Because you didn't give him money, there is a presumption that he will use we find it with proceeds of money. Who gave him that rendition? And who said that it is an inference by the court that because you didn't give him money, therefore we will take it as you getting him to mine and support it. But also in the same evidence, there is also from even Henry Okum himself that we will share the proceeds of the coconut farm
as payment for the reclamation.
He didn't say
that's what
payment
But I'm saying, but that is implied.
So,
but I
if you
read
want to
that
also
part.
imply
It's not
that,
even implied. I read that part in page 28. It's part of what I just read.
right. So even
are
if you say
contesting
that Henry
it was
Okum,
never
we didn't
part.
motivate him to do the reclamation, I'm saying that the motivation, as per the evidence given by Henry Okum himself and Chairman WONTUMI also in his defense, is that we will share the proceeds of the coconut farm to be planted, and that Chairman WONTUMI even gave a figure of the acreage of the coconut so far created, and that we will share the proceeds. The two of us will share. And I found it necessary to even cross-examine him on the interest of Chairman WONTUMI in the mining, whether there is any hidden interest. And the man, he himself, said that no. And he said, of course, we found some gold in the on site. So whose gold was picked on site? And he boldly said, mine, it's mine. Would you give part to Chairman WONTUMI? No. You understand? And we have a situation like that. And then Chairman WONTUMI himself comes to the box and says that I did not authorize.
Obusiafo Madam se mo nya aso ene ebre nya abre timitena se ehwe eye video yi ne Pendrim TV so ni se ne bia ye kano no mesrel se obe subscribe to the channel no na like video no share na eto other platforms so emayen na wo share wi a ne asre wo se wo adwenkyire bi a fato comment section no ase efamayen ane fato comment section no ase efamayen na yenhu ososo wadwenkyere ane ene Ghana de se ya ena abribia no eko saa so ne be make sure say ensem bi a ekosom Pendrim TV ye de bebro Pendrim TV ye se edam yopo
Maneva na sema Pendrim TV. Pendrim TV de ose dem yopo.